Hello guys, and welcome back to our video. In this video I'll be showing you how to order from CNFANS in 2025, since most of you people are asking and have many open questions when it comes to this topic. So yeah, I'm here to disclose all of that, and make sure to use that sign up link in the description if you guys want to support the channel. And also you get an additional 15% coupon code which you can then use upon shipping out your hauls. And yeah, now let's cut the talking and let's get straight to work. So first things first, you're gonna have to look for the CNFANS website. You can find it under cnfans.com. And after that you will need to sign up. Make sure you do that sign up with the sign up link in the description to get all the benefits from it, because why not use them if you have them. And after that comes a question: how do I get the products? Now I'm gonna help you out because I've been working on a spreadsheet for a long time. We're working with the best sellers when it comes to that, and we're working directly with the factories, so means it's the cheapest price for you guys. And if you guys want to check out that spreadsheet, it's linked down below. And yeah, now let me show you. So after being on the spreadsheet, which is linked in the description, you have different varieties of categories. Let's just go with a footwear as an example, a shoe. Let's just take a shoe, and let's just go with this one as an example. After being redirected to this page, you can check out all the models they have, and after finding one that you like, let's just look for a bit. So yeah, after you found a shoe which you like, as an example, the Supreme one is 32 bucks. Then you just go and select the size which you guys want to go for. I'm a size 44.5, so I might select that. If you guys have half size and you need to decide where should I go with 44 or should I go with 45, I always go with a size bigger, because at least you fit in the bigger size than the smaller one. The smaller one's always going to be uncomfortable wearing, so might as well just size up. After that you choose out your size, and then you just press check and agree, and you press buy now. Before you buying, you can also check the quality check pictures of the product from what other people have bought. As an example, here we have an Air Force One, a clean one, and here we can just check the quality, scan the QR code, whatever you guys want to do. And after that you just press buy now. After doing the buy now, you just press confirm, I've read and agree, and you press buy now again. And after doing that, here comes the payment. You can pay via Visa, Google Pay, Apple Pay, or you even Skrill. And for the crypto guys out there, yes, you can use crypto to buy on CNFANS. After purchasing it, you can find your order under the order page after clicking that little profile picture of yours on my orders. And here are all your orders displayed. I have bought multiple things in the past, as you guys can see, from yesterday and still from today. And now if you guys want to check them out, you just click here. As an example, here we have the Kobe's. I've ordered these Kobe's. You have a time of 5 days in total where you guys can ship out your items back to the seller in case they have any quality check problems, or there's glue on them, or they're broken or stuff like that. And yeah, here you have the picture of the shoe which you have ordered. After that you just check out the picture. If you like it or you don't like it, you can always decide to send back that shoe, which basically means you have a good customer support. And after you guys want to ship out your haul, let me just show you one thing so you guys can save money and benefit from this video might as well. First things first, you go to user center, and in here you type bulk. After typing the code bulk, you press exchange, and after exchanging it, you will get a 14% coupon code. So let's say you guys are looking forward in shipping a haul for 200 bucks in shipping price. Because you have used this code, you're on about saving 30 bucks. And 30 bucks is a lot when you ship out. Let's say a year you're shipping out 4 hauls as an example. You're saving 120 bucks just by doing nothing, and that's some money, I guess. And now let's say you guys want to ship out your haul, because we've been talking too much already. You go to warehouse, then you go and select the shoe pad that you have, and you press submit. Here you will have to input all your information, like address, name, residency, and stuff like that. And after doing that, you just press confirm, and here comes the question: should I remove my packaging or shouldn't I? Now this depends. Do you want to spend an extra $10 to $15 just to have your box shipped out, just to end up throwing it away? So no, it's not really worth sending out your packaging or your boxes, because in the end you're saving per shoe $15 on the shipping. After that you just press remove. Here you have the packaging details. Corner guard is just like protecting your package with some plastic so it doesn't get bent or something. Then you have the vacuuming. They come with a vacuum, so they take the volume from this to this, so shipping will also be cheaper. And you also have the cartoon reinforcement, which is basically corner guard with stretch film on it, so it's basically a mix of this one and this one. And here you can write something. If you guys want to ship out the box, you just write, please fold the box, I wanna save space. and then you just select any shipping line that you guys want to do. I would always go with DHL when it comes to shipping lines, and after doing that you just select it, press submit parcel, and here you also have the insurance. If you live in the EU, you get it for free. If you're in the US, I would 100% recommend buying the insurance, otherwise if custom catches your package, you don't get the money back. I had a situation where my haul got seized, where I had $700 worth of items, and CNFANS basically just gives back your money for it and the shipping price. For an additional $20, get the insurance if you ship a haul worth $400. It's always 5% of the actual value. And yeah, after that you just press submit, and then you can track your order on the parcel page. Here you have all the tracking numbers, and yeah, this is how you do it. Thank you guys for watching. This was a longer tutorial than usual, but I hope it helps you guys out. And yeah guys, keep rocking those kicks, and make sure to drop that subscribe button if you guys want to see more videos like this. Thank you for watching.